everyone, in this video, let's see how you can use the Nimbus tool to take screenshots, record videos, and there are several other features this tool offers. Let me show you what you need to do for that. It can be installed for all of the recent browsers. It can also be installed on your PC or Mac. To add it to Chrome, let's say we use mostly Chrome, so let's add it to Chrome. The extension, once it is installed, will be available as an icon on your browser bar. Let's add it, and once it's installed, you will see the Nimbus icon. This is the logo that usually appears here. Once you click on that, see, now you can see it's installed. Now say you want to take screenshot or records, you'll need to click on this and you can see all the options that's available. Say it also offers you to take the entire page screenshot, where like you may have a scroll appearing. It will also capture the scroll. So in this case, I said I want to take a screenshot of the entire page. It scrolled over and now you can see that it has taken a screenshot of all the pages on this site. It is also covered up the scroll and everything. Now it also offers if you want to edit, add text, anything you want to do, you can do. Once you click on done, it will let you have options to save or send, and you can send it to Dropbox, etc. There are other things where if you want to record a video, you'll need to use this option. So the tool is really very helpful if you're testing a website and you want to submit a bug, and you can want to show the walkthrough with the flow. It's an excellent tool which will help you capture the screen as well as record your screen. Thanks for watching.